of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of a circle which has circumference equal to the sum of circumference of two circles. Radii of two circles are given to you R1 and R2. R1 is 19, it is 19, here is 19. R2 is 9, here is 9. What you have to find? One radius you have to find, and what condition is given to you? Circumference of that circle is equal to sum of circumference of the given two circles. Okay, this is the condition. Let circumference of radius, I can say the new circle's radius is equal to R, capital R. Okay, so 2 pi R can I write circumference of first plus circumference of second, and 2 pi capital R is equal to 2 pi R1 plus 2 pi R2. Okay, 2 pi R can take out common, R1 plus R2. Okay, 2 pi to 2 pi cut, R will be what? What is R1? Is 9, 19, and R2 is what? 9. Now what will be capital R? This will be 28 centimeter. This is your answer. Two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of circle having area equal to the sum of areas of the circle. Okay, let R be the radius of that circle, and another two circles radius is R1 and R2. It is given to you 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. What is given to you? Area of the new circle is equal to area of first circle plus area of second circle. What is that? Is pi R square, capital R square is equal to pi small r1, this r1 square, plus pi r2 square. Pi r square is there, take out pi common, r1 square plus r2 square, pi to pi cut, r square. What is r1? 8 square, this is your 6 square. R will be what? 8 square is what? 64, and 6 square is what? 36. 64 plus 36. Okay, then what will be R? This will be under root 100. This is your 10 centimeter, and this is the answer. Yes, hello students. The wheels of a car of a diameter 80 centimeter each, how many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? The speed is given to you 66 km per hour. Here is the speed. Then distance travel in 1 minute, because you have to find out in 10 minutes. First of all, I am getting the value. Distance travel in 1 minute. Okay, because here is given in centimeter, I have to find the distance in centimeters. So kilometer convert into centimeter. So first of all, convert kilometer, convert into meter. This will be 1000 meter in 1 kilometer. Then in 1 meter, how many centimeters are there? This will be 100 centimeters. This is okay, one thing. It means I have to multiply 66 into 1 time is 1000. Then after 100, 66,000, then 100. Okay, divide by R. In 1 hour, how many minutes are there? In 1 hour, 60 minutes are there. So, in division there is 60. You cut 10 to 10, and here 66 1 6 1 6, and here 11. 11, then 1 2 3 4 zeros. This is distance travel in 1 minute. Then distance travel in 10 minutes will be, you have to multiply by 10. Okay. Now diameter is given to you 80 centimeter. What will be the radius? 80 upon 2, 40 centimeter. Come on. First of all, you have to find one revolution. Revolution means what? Circumference. Circumference is 2 pi r. 2 pi, what is r? What is radius? Radius is 40. This is 44 into 4 upon 7. 40. Okay, 4 4 is 16. 1. 16 and 1 17 and 1 0 is this. This much centimeter. Okay. But what you have to find? You have to find where what is how many complete revolutions. You have to find number of revolutions. Number of revolutions is equal to what? Total distance travelled in 10 minutes upon one revolution. Distance travelled in one revolution. Total distance travelled in 10 minutes is this 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here 1760 upon 7. Then what will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 upon 1760. 0 to 0 cut. 11 ones are 11, 1, 2, 3, 4. 11 ones are 11, 11 6 are 66. Okay. Then by 4, 4 4 are 24. Here is 2500. Can I cut by 4? Yes, definitely. 4 4 4 6 are 24. 10 4 2s are 8. 2 4 5s are. And multiply it. 7 5s are 35. 3 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. 17 7 carry 1. 7 6 are 42 and 1 43. Yes, the next question is, if the perimeter and the area of circle are numerically equal. Okay, perimeter means what? For a circle, perimeter means what? It is circumference. Then find the radius of the circle. You have to find radius. Okay, what is given? Perimeter of a circle is is equal to area of circle. Perimeter means what? Circumference. Let radius of the circle is r unit. Then what is the circumference of circle? That we all know, 2 pi r. What is area of circle? Pi r square. Okay, you can cut pi to pi. Here is 2r, no? Here is r square. I can write r square in terms of r into r. Okay, I am cutting this r to r cut. This is 2 unit. This is the answer.